Hello students, I am your science teacher Preeti ma'am and I am going to teach you chapter number 3, synthetic materials in everyday life. The topics that I am going to cover in this chapter are the natural and synthetic fibers, about the polymers, the different what is the meaning of polymers, and we are going to discuss about some important polymers, and then I am going to start up with the meaning of synthetic fibers and some of the synthetic fibers also we are going to discuss. Let's go active now. Take a few items of ready-made clothing and look for the label, such as the ones which will be shown in your clothings. Are all the items made of the same material? Why do different clothes have different washing instructions then? And why should some of them not be ironed also? Natural and synthetic fibers. Students, we have already learned about the fabrics are made from the fibers. And we also know that there are two different types of fibers. One is the natural fiber and the other is the synthetic fiber. What is natural fiber then? Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Most of the natural fibers are short and have to be spun together to form long yarn. Example, silk, which has long and continuous filaments, is an exception of this. But some of the examples of plant fibers are the jute, the cotton, the linen, the coir, etc. Animal fibers such as wool and silk, they are the best examples of the animal fibers. About the synthetic fibers, if we discuss about it, synthetic fibers, the other name is given to you as human made fibers. These fibers are made from chemicals like natural gas and petroleum. Synthetic fibers are obtained as long, continuous filaments and usually do not have to be spun together to increase their length. Acrylic, nylon, they are the examples of the synthetic fibers. Then, what are polymers? Students, you might have seen garlands made of many flowers. Similarly, a fiber is made of several similar units strung together, and each unit or each individual unit or molecule, it is called as the monomer. So many monomers, they join chemically to form a large molecule which is called as the polymer. A length of string links the flowers in the garland together. Similarly, chemical bonds, they hold the monomers together. The process by which identical molecules called as monomers are linked together to form polymers, it is called as polymerization. Examples, silk, cotton, wool, they are the natural polymers. Synthetic fibers and plastics, they are also polymers, but they are human made polymers. In synthetic fibers, we will be now discussing about the rayon. Rayon, it is also called as artificial silk, and it is made chemically treating wood pulp. It has a silken luster or shine and is much cheaper than silk. It was the first human made fiber. Since the raw material for making rayon is wood, which is a natural plant product, rayon is considered a semi synthetic fiber. Then let's discuss about the properties of the rayon. Rayon is soft to touch and it has a luster like silk. It drapes well and is easy to dye. It is easy to color. It is highly absorbent. It absorbs. It become creased easily, but it can be ironed if it becomes creased, and it can be attacked by insects as it is biodegradable because it is made up of wood pulp, so it is biodegradable, so it can be attacked easily by the insects. Then where are the rayon fibers used or rayon used? Rayon is used to make the shirts, suits, jackets, and other clothing items. It is also used to make home furnishing materials like the bedspreads, curtains, carpets, tablecloth, and so on. In addition, it is used to make bandages and diapers. Students, rayon is made of a polymer cellulose, the same polymer that makes up cotton and other plant fibers. The monomer of cellulose is the glucose. The next fiber, synthetic fiber that I will teach you is about the nylon. Students, nylon was invented as a cheap replacement for silk. It is made from petroleum product. It is a petroleum product. The American government used nylon to make parachutes, tires, tents, ropes in the Second World War. And it was called the miracle fiber. These are the properties of nylon. Nylon is very, very strong and is durable fiber. It is highly elastic also. It is light in weight and it can easily and it is easy to drape, wash and dry. It does not crease easily. It is a waterproof material and it is not attacked by insects or fungus as it is a petroleum product. Then where are these nylon fibers or nylon cloths used? Nylon is widely used to make sportswear, swimming costume, stockings, jackets, and other items of clothing. It is also used to make curtains. Its resistance to corrosion makes it an important material for making the containers. Its strength and resistance to wear and tear makes it suitable for making gears, bearings, tires, ropes, airbags, toothbrush bristles, parachutes, fishing nets, conveyor belts, etc. And horses also. Conveyor belts, they are continuous flexible band moved by a series of rollers. And horses, it is a flexible tube for conveying water or for carrying water. Polyester, our next synthetic fiber. Polyester is made from petroleum product. It is made by repeating units or monomers of chemical compounds called the esters. Terylene, also its other name is Dacron. It is an example of polyester fabric. Now let's discuss about some of the properties of polyester. Polyester is strong and durable cloth. It is easy to wash and dry. It is a crease resistant fabric. It is also waterproof and it does not or it is not attacked by insects or fungus. Let's discuss about the uses of polyester. Polyester is used to make clothing, home furnishing materials like the carpets, the curtains, sofa and cushion covers, blankets, and so on. Polyester is blended with other fibers to make wrinkle resistant fibers. And PET is a form of a polyester. Acrylic. Acrylic is a clear glass like fiber that was previously called as the Orion. It resembles the cashmere wool. It is soft and warm and is therefore it is used as an inexpensive substitute to natural wool. The properties of the acrylic. Acrylic is light in weight and yet it is strong and durable. It is soft and warm also. It is grease resistant and it is easy to wash and to maintain. It is non absorbent and it dries quickly. Let's now discuss about some of the uses of the acrylic. Acrylic is used to make sweaters, jackets, jumpers, and blankets. It is also used to make industrial filters and reinforced concrete. Were some of the artificial synthetic fibers. Now, according to whatever we have studied in the third chapter, these are some of the questions and that answers you are going to write in your books. So that's all for today. Bye bye, students.